From September 21st to November 20th, which is the last 61 days that I've been running this Google Ads campaign, we have generated 52 leads, which are phone calls and form submissions at a cost per lead of $274 with a total ad spend of $14,251, and our client has already gotten $655,000 in pipeline value, which includes 2 jobs completed, 4 upcoming in-home estimates, and 9 jobs accepted, and they've already taken deposit. Now, this video is going to be quick, and I'm just going to go over a few key points that you want to have in order to have a successful Google Ads campaign. Now, the first thing is going to be your keyword selection. That's the most important part, is going to be your keyword selection, because this is going to decide whether you're going to get junk lead or high value jobs, and you want to do a deep research on what are the most profitable keywords and just bid on those keywords. Now, once you got your keywords that you want to bid on, you want to have a list of negative keywords that very important that you don't waste your budget, because your negative keywords are keywords that you do not want to show up for when somebody searches in Google. So say somebody searches in Google basement renovation designs or basement renovation DIY, or you know what I mean, things that you do not want to show up for that are not going to convert. So we going to put those keywords in a negative keyword list. So whenever somebody searches that keyword, let's say hiring, jobs, free, DIY, we don't want to show up because that's not going to end in sell. So that's your negative keyword list. Next, you want to have thematically related ad groups. So for basement renovation, if somebody's searching basement renovation near me, or basement renovation cost, or basement renovation company, you want each in a different ad groups, thematically related, because if somebody searches basement renovation near me, you want to take them to a different landing page. And if somebody searches basement renovation costs or looking for prices, you want to take them to a landing page that talks about price and all that. So everything has to be congruent. Now, the next thing after that is going to be your landing page. Now, this is the most important part of this, is going to be your landing page. This is what's responsible for turning clicks into actual booked calls and in-home estimates. So one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to send your traffic to your website, because your website is not built for conversions. Your website is just an online brochure, maybe if you're doing SEO, but if you want to convert clicks into actual booked estimates and calls, you want to dedicate it a landing page. So if you're doing basement renovation, you want to have a different campaign. Kitchen renovation example, you want to have a separate campaign. Bathroom renovation, separate campaign. So they all need their own landing page. Now, a few key points on a high converting landing page. Number one, you're going to have just your headline. Next, you're going to have some bullet points and your offer. And then you want to have your reviews. So as much as review, social proof as you can, because a lot of contractors, they focus on promise rather than proof. So they be like, oh, we've been in business for 900 years. We do quality work. We have used the highest material. So does everyone else. But if you want to stand out, you want to like more focus on proof than promise. So again, right on below that, we have their accreditations and accolades. Again, we have a video of the owner, just, because this is going to build the know, like, and trust factor. So it's always good to have a video, just owner talking about how he does things differently, why it's different, and just video is going to build more trust. Again, right below that, more proof. So proof over promise. We have this bar over here that's going to repeat 3-4 times over this landing page. So in case people are ready to pull the trigger, it's right in their face, either call or book online. Right below that, we have basement renovation projects. So this is the project that they've completed. So you want to show off your work. Again, right below that, another call to action, which is either call or fill out the form. And then the least important stuff is going to be going, descending order. So what sets you apart section, and then your process to perfection. And then again, one more time, you have this bar here. Now, that's for the landing page. So we have the option for people to call or fill out the form. If they call, our client is going to get that call, and we have call tracking in place, so we know how many calls we're getting. And the moment somebody calls, when you pick up the phone, it's going to say call from Google Ads. So you know that call is coming from Google Ads, and we track how many calls we get. Now, if somebody decides to fill out the form, once they fill out this form, they submit, our end client is going to receive an immediate SMS and email notification of the lead, so they can call the lead and book that in-home estimates. And the moment they hit the submit button, they're going to land on the thank you page, which is going to tell them, hey, Thanks, we have received your request and we'll be in touch to discuss your renovation project and book your free consultation. Now below that we have more videos. So this, we're gonna build more trust, and it's gonna just make that in-home estimate easier. You can set expectation in the video of how the in-home estimate is going to go, and this is just going to build more trust. So in one video, our client is talking about, trust when it comes to hiring contractors, and then again, this one's talking about the importance of communication between homeowners and contractors, and just just he's differentiating himself and also building trust right here. And then we have again the reviews, and that's it. Now this is our lead reporting sheet that our clients get, so that we're updated on the lead status as they come in, so we can optimize better and see the quality of the leads. And right here, so this is again last 61 days, which is here we have job completed, not interested, follow-up needed, and job accepted, and right here again we have 9 jobs accepted, deposits taken, 4 upcoming in-home estimates, and 2 jobs completed. Again, $655,000 in pipeline value with just $14,251 in total ad spend. Now that's about it for this video. Now if you own a renovation company, bathroom renovation, kitchen, basement, or just home improvement company, you're looking to get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, I will leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We'll go over a quick 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if Google Ads makes sense for your business. And yeah, that's about it for watching. Thank you very much and have a nice day.